Are you ready to turbocharge your Shopify store with CJ Dropshipping? Rock it whether you're a dropshipping newbie or a pro. Connecting CJ Dropshipping to your store can be done in no time. In this tutorial, we're going to break down 2 easy methods so you can pick the one that works best for you. Let's dive in. Light bulb. First things first, head to your Shopify admin panel and sign in. Don't worry, we're not asking for your secret superhero identity here. Winking face. On the left sidebar, click on Apps. Then hit Visit the Shopify App Store. This is where the magic happens. In the search bar, type CJ Dropshipping, and boom, you should see the app pop up like a superhero landing. Collision. Click on the CJ Dropshipping app, then hit Add App. Don't worry, it's just a couple of clicks away from greatness. After the install, CJ Dropshipping will automatically take you to their interface. If you already have a CJ Dropshipping account, log in. If not, create a new account and get started. Laptop computer. You'll be prompted to enter your store URL, and once that's done, you should get a confirmation that everything's connected. Party Popper, you're officially ready to roll. Head to CJ Dropshipping. And if you don't have an account, it's time to create one. If you already have one, just log in. On the CJ dashboard, look for My CJ, and then click on Store Authorization. Find the option to add store and select Shopify as your platform. Type in your store's URL, like yourstore.myshopify.com, and click Authorize. It's that easy. Log into Shopify when prompted, follow any final steps, and bam, your store is now authorized. You'll get a pop-up confirming everything's connected. Once your store is connected, it's time to kick things off. You can start bringing products from CJ Dropshipping straight into your Shopify store. Wrapped gift. Orders from Shopify will automatically sync with CJ Dropshipping for fulfillment. Package. No more manual updates. Everything's synced and updated in real time. Make sure your store isn't already connected to another CJ Dropshipping account. This could cause some connection headaches. Keep an eye on both platforms for updates, new features, and any cool tools to improve your dropshipping game. By following these simple steps, you'll have CJ Dropshipping and Shopify working in perfect harmony. Ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level? We sure are. Raising hands. That's a wrap. You're now connected, ready to import, and totally set up for success. Let's go make those sales.